Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And first of all, I would like to say thank you for those of you who just subscribed to my channel. I really do appreciate that. And today I will be unboxing China Airlines Boeing 747-400. I know it might be a bit boring to you because I have only been unboxing the Boeing 747 and the Airbus, but I have 4 more airplanes to go. So once I finish the last 4 of these large scale model, I will unboxing the die cast model scale 1 200, and it's gonna be from mostly from Emirates Airline, and again some more Airbus A380 and 777-300 and 777-9. So that's just a preview. And also, again, please hit that subscribe button so that when I get to unboxing those die-cast model Airbus A380 or Boeing 777-300 or the 777-9, you will be notified when I unbox those aircraft. But in the meantime, please bear with me. I only have 4 more to go, excluding this China Airline. And once again, thank you for your view and thank you for your continued support. And I hope you find it entertaining. And please I would like to apologize if this sound look a bit boring, because kind of like all Boeing. You don't see any other type of aircraft beside the Boeing 747. But however, even though they are Boeing 747, but they are from various airlines. So I just want to share all my collection of different airlines with Boeing 747-400. All right, so let's unbox the plane. Okay. This is China Airline, and please don't be confused with the word China Airline. This is actually a Taiwanese airline, even though it said China Airline. It's not belong to the mainland China. So its hub is in Taipei, Taiwan. And earlier, a few video earlier, I also unboxing the EVA Air. So EVA Air and China Airline are both Taiwanese airline, and they're both their hub are in Taipei, Taiwan. All right, so let's unbox this together. First of all, let me show you what it look like. And cool, look at this. This one have an LED display, so you can activate it by touching the body of the aircraft or by clap your hand, and the LED light will lit up. All right. So this is the China Airline Boeing 747-400. I like this flower here in the back. It looks pretty good. Look pretty nice. Okay. And here is the USB charger for the LED light in the plane. The stand as always. The landing gear. Just like I mentioned to you, it's a lot of Boeing 747-400 that I have been unboxing, and still more to be unboxed. But Boeing 747 is my favorite aircraft, so I love to get my hand on as much as I can. And also, these are all my favorite airline that I purchased. So even though it's the same type of aircraft, but it's from different airlines. And that means different livery, so different design, different paint on the body too. So it's different. There you go. There's a wing. All right. Let me get my glove, and we put the plane together. So let me attach the wing. You know, I'm surprised that when I unbox this plane, because this particular aircraft here that I ordered, I didn't ask for the ELD version. I just want the normal one, regular one without the ELD. But I guess they don't have the LED version. So since I order a lot from their website, they just give me a freebie on this one. And I ordered actually all my large scale aircraft I order from them, from www.alterll.com. Yeah, so they gave me a free one when I ordered 10. And also they gave me this display to put my plane on. So this thing just rotate round and round, and you like display. It's called right here. It said rotate the display stand electric rotary. Yeah. Yeah, they gave me this for free because when you order $300 or $400 more, they give you this for free. And I order from them like about almost 20 airplanes from them. So yeah, the first time I ordered was I ordered 5, and then I ordered 10, and then I ordered 7. So the order that I placed for 10, I got 1 free aircraft. Okay, so let's attach everything. I'm sorry if my body is in the way. All right.
What?
Okay, attach the bottom. There we go. And put the landing gear out. another landing gear. There. The nose gear. Okay, so everything is completely installed. Let me get my clip out of the way. Just to let you know, I have flown on this China airline a few times, and my first time was with this Boeing 747-400, and then after that it was the 777-300 ER. And let me zoom in the back. There the registration number B-18251. So yes, this aircraft is about 28 years old, and its production site is in Everest, Washington, and it was delivered to China Airlines back in 1995, and this aircraft was withdrawn from use in November on November 30th, 2014. So that is the reason why I didn't see them anymore. And the last time I flown on them was on the Boeing Boeing 777-300 ER. And this is a Pratt Whitney engine. Might be a GE, might be a Pratt Whitney, but according to the website, it is a Pratt Whitney. So close up on the engine. Yeah, when I was in Taiwan, I've flown on both EVA and the China airline. So they have the terminal in the middle, and one side of the terminal are all EVA Air, and one side of the terminal are all China airline. I really like the flower on the tail of this aircraft. From the front view,
is that?
And here's the wingtip. On the other side.
Let me see it looks.
Okay, this is the battery charger for the plane, where you plug in the USB, and this is the switch off and on.
Can I?
So like I was mentioned earlier, you can activate the LED light by touching the body of the aircraft or by clapping your hand. So let me just clap my hand. There we go. So the LED light lit up for about 20 seconds. There you can see. And once again, thank you for watching my video today. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button so that you can get more video update of from my channel. And also I would like to thank all the viewer and all the subscriber and all the newly subscriber to my channel. And thank you for your continued support for my channel. And I hope I can bring more content and more plane for you to view as the entertainment, and at the same time to be able to share with you my aircraft collection. All right, one last look. Such a beautiful bird. All right, thank you and have a wonderful day.